Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create plenty prospects on Elementor form submission. Let's suppose I am offering project management tools to various businesses and running marketing campaign with the help of Elementor so that whenever someone wants the demo can fill the form and request for the demo. Now I want that whenever a form submission has been made, the data is automatically sent to Clienty and the prospect is created automatically. I can do this with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skill. I just need to build connection between Elementor and Clienty. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is triggers and action. Here as my trigger application I will take Elementor where the new form submission will be made, and as my action application I will take Clienty where the prospects will be created automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Clienty prospects on Elementor form submission. For this, we are going to create automation between Elementor form and Clienty with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, we want to create a new workflow for which we need to click on create workflow. And now it's asking for the workflow name. So let's name this as how to create Clienty prospects on Elementor form submission. And now we need to select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created and I want to select all automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of the workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, we want to create Clienty prospects on Elementor form submission, which means whenever a form will be submitted, prospects will be created in Clienty, which means on form submission, this workflow will get triggered. So our trigger application will be Elementor and the trigger event will be new form submission. Next, we need to make connection between Elementor and Pabbly Connect, for which a webhook URL is given to us and this URL will act as a bridge to connect my Elementor with Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Elementor, which is a plugin of WordPress, and over here you can see the app dashboard of WordPress, and if you see all the options over here you can see pages and all pages. We need to click over here and from over here we need to search a form which we will be using. So my form is customer contact form. I will open this with edit with Elementor. And over here you can see the form has appeared in front of us by the name contact form. Here if you simply click on first name or any of the options, these options will start appearing in front of you, which is form fields, buttons, actions after submit, webhook, steps, settings, additional options. Here we need to click on this webhook option. And this is the same webhook which we were provided in our trigger step. So let's go back to Pabbly and from over here copy this webhook URL and simply paste it over here. Click on update. So now over here we can see waiting for the webhook response, which means we need to submit the form so as to get the response over here. So let's go back to WordPress. And from over here, this was our form. Click on view. So let's submit a form. Let's enter some dummy detail over here. Let's say my first name is Smart and my last name is User. My email address is smart@pablitudes.com. My phone number is and my city is Bhopal. Click on submit. Your submission was successful. Now let's go back to Pabbly and check whether we have received this response or not. So over here we can see we have successfully captured this response. The form name was contact form. The first name was Smart. The last name was user. City was Bhopal. Phone number was this. And the email address was smart@pablitudes.com. So we have successfully created connection between Elementor and Pabbly Connect, and now we need to move to our next step, which is action step. So we want to create prospects in Clenty as soon as the form submission has been made through Elementor. So here our action application will be Clenty and our action event will be add prospect. Simply click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can go with save. But if you don't have one, click on add new connection. And over here, we need to enter API key and the username. So under API key, it's written login to your Clenty account. Get your API key from settings, integrations, API. So let's open Clenty. And over here is the settings option. Here we need to look for integrations over here. And under integrations, we need to click on API. So over here you can see personal API and company API. We want to generate personal API, so we'll simply click on generate new and simply copy this and paste it over here. And now we need to enter the username. So over here my username is, simply click on save and we have connected Clenty with Pabbly Connect. Next we need to enter these details. So as to enter these details, I am going to use a process which is called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received response from my Elementor form. So over here, I'll simply click on Elementor and map the first name as Smart. And we don't have middle name, so I'll leave this. And the last name as user. I'll map the email as smart@pablitudes.com. The phone number as this one, and I am leaving these fields blank, which is company, title, department, company domain, Twitter handle, location, because it is not required. And I also don't require these fields, city, country, account, so I am leaving these fields blank. I'll simply click on save and send test request. And over here we have received the response. So as to check whether we have created this prospect in our Clenty or not, let's open our Clenty. And over here you can see all the options. Here we need to click on the third option where prospects is written. And over here we can see we have successfully created this prospect by the name Smart User. If you click on this, we can see all the details over here. The first name was Smart, the last name was user, email address was smart@pablitudes.com, phone number was this. So as to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's fill another form again. Let's go back to our contact form and enter some other dummy details. So let's say my name is admin, my last name is test, my email address is test@pablitudes.com. My phone number is and my city is Indore. Click on submit. Your submission was successful. Now let's go back to Clenty and check whether this recent contact has been created or not. Let's refresh the page. And over here we can see this new data has also been added as a prospect. The name was admin, the last name was test, the email address was test@pablitudes.com and the phone number was this. So to summarize this, we took Elementor as our trigger application where we made connection of Pabbly Connect and Elementor with the help of webhook URL. We submitted the form and received this response. after which we selected our action application as Clenty, where we made connection with Pabbly Connect and entered these fields with the help of mapping. Simply clicked on Save and Send Test Request and received the response as new prospect created in our Clenty account. So we have successfully created automation between Elementor and Clenty with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.